ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi A bat ke Paidbah ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang Jingtei company kol hakini ke number harum.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabenta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Hading kat tu kat Nisnam bala syupin trekam hapok ke Jingwai ke Malang Kuna Police Outpost keberan hapok ke Shnong Malang Simna Guri West Khasi Hills String mentah ke sengi layo no ila ke Jong ke Ying bapaka ban pentrekam hak bala wan ban pelipat baru ya ketik outpost du menteri rang ba ke Jelau kontrak ke Sangma. Nak liang jo SP ke West Khasi Hills ubi keram di Marang ulit ho ba ya ketik Ying bertema Jong ke Malang Kuna Police Outpost la tailing baga scheme PIRF ha ke jinglud ke bakhat nyo point san pholak tingta bakanik outpost kana Jingshngaiñ yaki ka khandai ligishnong ka thai Malang Kuna. Ukon rat ba jingkran kumukong san ulong banadu menteri rangba usembut menteri rangba ka DGP Jong Gazela bar ki officer sarkar ke dan ha ka ni ke jingalang ban play ka ni outpost ka beren bar ulong bakala ban long ka Barit ha ka Jingtei hindre kan long pat ka khubor ka bayar na mar ka ni outpost ka ni ka dak Jong Jingshngaiñ di Paidbah nong shnong Jong ka thai Malang Kuna baro kawai. Hakatik sengi la sakhiru ya ke jingadon lang RG moment MLA garam rajirngam Superintendent of Police ke West Khasi Hills District uba Vikram D Marak Deputy Commissioner ke West Khasi Hills District uba Garrett LSN Dykes QD ki Head Police Officer ke Jilla ki Paidbah bat QA yula syakhot ngobha. Hading ke jingalang kladon ru ke jingathung di ngaphalau ketik outpost hakabala shimbin talang nadu menteri rangba usembut menteri rangba bat ki Head Police Officer ke Jilla.
Repair and renovation of Jingshngaiñ PS, which is total sanction amount of 7,67,100 rupees. We are still renovating the Langpi barrack, which 17,50,000, and the renovation of Malang Kuna 17,50,000. It's totally completed, so you can, as we can see. Then the repair of barrack at Salang completed. Repair of quarter number 2 at Salang completed, which was respectively for 2,85,000 and 3,28,000, and repair of the Salang PS 1,18,000 total. Now the only pending is Langpi. Yes sir, only Langpi barrack is pending. The rest we have completed, sir.
Time I am visiting Malang Kuna. But like your SP has already said, it is largely a peaceful area, and hence there was never any reason for anybody from headquarters to visit the area. But I was very, very happy when Vikram came to me and asked me to please attend this inauguration. When I came here, I was even more happy when I saw the kind of infrastructure that had come up. It is a testament to the teamwork between the district police and the district administration. So I'm sure that with this example of Malang Kuna OP, you would give us even more under the PIRF scheme. I'd like to place on record my thanks also to both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister in charge police for giving us the support and for starting this PIRF scheme, which has been a long felt need in the police department. So it is not only here in Malang Kuna, but also in other places where we have come up very commendably and utilized the money that you have given to us, sir. So we assure you that the funds that you will be giving us under this PIRF scheme will be closely monitored, and we will ensure that it is money well spent. It is being appreciated across the rank and file of the Meghalaya Police that we at last are able to do something for our own policemen. So And I would also like to place on record my thanks and appreciation to the people of Malangkona for not only donating the land for making this building of this infrastructure possible, but also contributing not only men and material, but also their own labor. Vikram tells me that a lot of the construction work was shared very willingly by the villagers themselves. Thank you so very much.
Our former home ministers and also former SPs and DCs, and more importantly the current SP and the DC, for having completed this building. And if you look at this building, it's a 17.5 lakh rupees building. But you have the Chief Minister of the state, the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, the DGP of the state, all the senior police officials coming here to be part of this very small inauguration in the program. But I would like to tell all of you that this building may be very small, but this building symbolizes the importance that this government gives to governance, the importance that we give to public service. This building is a symbol of the safety and security of the citizens of our state. This building is a symbol of the confidence of the people in this area. And hence it may be a very small structure, but the message is very large. And a message I would also like to give today, that as a government, the safety and security of our citizens is a top priority for our government. Yes, we have challenges, we have difficulties, but amongst those challenges and difficulties, if we all work together, if we all put our heart and soul into what we want to do and achieve, if we keep the objective and the purpose in front of us clear and visible, there is nothing that we cannot achieve. And that is the message of this particular inauguration today. And as Deputy CM has mentioned, this is not just one of the projects that is there. There will be many such projects in all the sensitive areas, in all the areas which are very far flung, which are very remote, where we have different challenges, where there's a requirement for different outposts and manpower. Let me assure the citizens of our state, not just in West Khasi Hills, but all across the state, that we are committed to ensure that we will build up the infrastructure and provide the manpower that is necessary to ensure that the safety of our people is always there.
Just here, but in all the different parts of the state, wherever such critical locations are there, we will ensure that sufficient infrastructure and manpower is provided in different locations. Number two, we also would like to state that this building was made through the PIRF fund, which is now made available to the SPs to have a flexible fund where they can utilize it to repair new constructions at their own district level without taking any approval from the state or from the government. And this has enabled this particular building to come up. But the beauty of this building is that while the money came for the materials and all from here, the people of this village have contributed as manpower, laborers. They came and worked themselves. Some even contributed by giving building materials out here. Even the SP and the DC at the personal level have come in and monitored things. So this is a very good and great example of the society coming together and sending a very strong message to the state. So I would encourage that other locations also, when there's such type of projects come up, if the community can be part of the project, it sends a very, very strong message. So I congratulate our Honorable Deputy CM in charge of Home Police and all the officials who have made this project a success. Thank you very much.